Hi everyone. We're going to do a law of signs problem with an airplane time loss due to a navigation error. So a pilot is going from city A to city C, and he was 10 degrees off. He's trying to go from city A to B, but he went to C. So at a turning point, he decided to turn and go 70 miles farther. So if the constant rate is 250 miles per hour, how much time was lost to the error? So the first thing we want to do is find how much time did he spend. So he spent 50 plus 70. He spent that many miles over 250 miles per hour. So he went 50 and 70, so that's going to be 120 over 250 miles per hour, which is 0.48 hours. So that's originally, this is what he did, because we had to find out what time he lost. So we want to find out what the miles is from A to B. So the first thing we're going to do is notice that A is 70. That's our little a. Our B, little b, is 50 miles. And our alpha is 10 degrees. So since we have the little a in our alpha, we're going to find B. So basically we have sine of 10 degrees over 70 equals sine of beta over 50. We're trying to find our angle here. So what we get is sine of beta equals 50 times sine of 10 over 70, which equals approximately 0.1240. Inverse sine of 0.1240 equals your beta. So your beta equals 77.12 degrees. So I'm going to put it right in here because it's kind of small. So this is 7.12 degrees. Now, to find this angle, we just simply subtract these two angles, or our degrees, from 180. And so our gamma is going to equal, let me see if I'll just put it out here. Our gamma equals 162.88 degrees. Now we can find the length of how many miles it is from A to B. So we're going to do, this is your little c, because it's across from big C. So we're going to do sine of 10 degrees over 70 equals sine of 162.88 degrees over little c. Cross multiply, and we get 70 sine of 162.88 over sine of 10 degrees. And so the miles from A to B is going to be 118.67. So C is 118.67. So I want to find the time if he had not made the navigation error. So your time, this is going to be time, I'll call it time 2, is going to be 118.67 over 250 miles. These are both in miles. And this gives you approximately 0.4747 hours. All right? So here we had 0.48 hours due to because of the error. And this is if he didn't make the error. Time 2 is if he didn't make the error. So when you subtract these two, you get about 19 seconds longer. So if you subtract 0.48 minus 0.4747, the trip took about 0.0053 hours longer. So that's your answer. Or if you want to multiply that to get the seconds, that's basically 19 seconds. Oops, sorry. 19 seconds. Let me see if I can squeeze it in there longer. So it's 19 seconds longer. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.